Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the New Balance Shandos. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. So thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at New Balance's trail running sneaker, and it is called the New Balance Trail Shando. I don't know why it's called Shando. They didn't mention it on the website. Asian writing, I don't want to say it's Japanese kanji because it looks Chinese to me. But yeah, we'll show you when we do the unboxing. But we have a look at the New Balance Trail Shando in Harvest Gold and Black colorway. And we got this in the UK size 7.5. It's a European 41.5, and it's a US men's size 8. And here we go. Look at this. Now, we've done tons of trail runners in the past here at Oneupreviewz. Check those out. We've done your ACGs, we've done Salomons, we've done some even Timberland hiking boots. But these just scream that trend, that urban explorer, that trail running trends that I've been seeing for the past couple of years. People have been using this to their advantages because they're traveling outdoors, they're exploring the forests and hiking up as well. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is New Balance's AT outsole, and you can see it here with the big lugs. Great for the traction, great for the grip whilst you're running in the woods. And you can see bits of the midsole that start here, and it moves all along under the midsole unit. So as I mentioned, that it starts here at the sole, and that is called New Balance's Dynasoft. So that Dynasoft is there for your comfortability, is there for your overall cushioning whilst you're trekking along those woodlands. Looking at the upper, now you've got an aggressive look, all webbing, it's all synthetic materials. I know this looks like leather here at the toe box area, but it's not. It's PU leather. You can see it here at the toe box. Nice perforations as well. The meshes is an all webbing material here. Great for your breathability. It's what you want in these running sneakers. These are running sneakers at the end of the day. You've got a lace enclosure there that's wrapped with these lace loops that extends towards the outer. So it's just there for the extra tightness. Helps to make your feet extra secure. At the medial side, you've got the same materials that are found on the toe box, right here. Little bits of perforations as well. The whole sneaker again is made out of this mustard yellow or gold upper, all the way, and it goes up towards the tongue. And you can see the branding of the New Balance and the name of the sneaker, the Shando. And I'm assuming that's the Shando in white. I think it does look Japanese to me, but if anyone that can read kanji, let us know if they are right. The laces are round. A lot of these kind of sneakers, the trail runners, they use round laces here, not flat ones. Nicely padded tongue. Looking at the lateral side, so you've got the big New Balance logo here. At the heel, big pull tab to help get your feet in. And I like this patterning. It reminds me of when you're looking at the bird's eye view of the maps that indicate mountains. I know there's a technical name for it, but I totally forgot what it is. If you know in the comment section below, let me know. Let me brush up on my geography. It's been a while. I've dropped it for GCSEs. And if you can see it here, there's a nice New Balance logo that's on the spillage of the heel. Rounding it off with the insole, all synthetic materials. You can see the New Balance Shando, the logo, it's all in there. And that rounds it off. I'm a big fan of these sneakers just by looking at them. I love the trail running aesthetic. It's like an urban explorer. You can wear your joggers, very fleecy. You can wear fleeces that go with it. Overall, we're approaching the winter here in the UK, and it will help like when you're running along in the forests. This will help not make you slip or fall. There for your traction, your support on those slippery surfaces on the woods. And it looks really secure, especially with the lacing and the overall shape of the sneaker. I'm such a fan of the trail runners that we've done in the past, as I mentioned time and time again. I'll echo those sentiments again with this. I love the colors of these, very woods, urban explorer, very outlandish, if that makes any sense at all. So I can't wait to try these on, let you know how I feel about this. That's about it. Let's roll that footage of me wearing these Shandos. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size European or UK New Balance fit. These 7.5s are correct. My toes are where they need to be. I love the look of these sneakers. Very functional, and you gotta trust me, guys. That grip with this lug, brilliant. I feel very, very secure in these as well, given that I got the right size. And I love the look of these. I mean, these are perfect for the outdoors. I can't get enough of that lug, and it is really comfy. That Dynasoft midsole, very comfy. Nice cushioning on the underside of my feet. Highly recommend these. If you look back, I'm a big fan of all our hiking, trail running sneakers. This is no different. This is a recommend. Guys, if you're able to get a pair, get them. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.